Hey guys. Hey guys, this is Ray. I don't know if you can see me with this car light or not, but there was one thing I wanted to record on the way out from the eclipse that I got to witness, and it's my adaptive cruise control setting. So the vehicle I have has adaptive cruise control, which means that even though I've got my cruise control set at about 80 miles an hour, anytime the traffic slows down below 80 miles an hour or whatever I have my cruise control set at, the vehicle will slow down by itself and account for that change in speed. So it modulates its own speed. In fact, the car in front of me is braking right now, and I'm currently traveling at about 8 miles an hour. So I'm going to turn this light off and turn this around so that you can see what's happening. As you can see, currently going about 20 some odd miles an hour, and my speed limit is set at 81 miles an hour. The highway speed is 80 miles an hour. Of course, I'm going to decrease that at some point based on how dark it is and what have you. But this is what's going on in front of me. So this car in front of me just moved over. My car is accelerating, and at a certain point it sees, well, it already saw the car in front of us, but it's basically changing the distance between us and the car in front of us. And we're currently traveling at 35 miles an hour. The car is braking, these cars are braking, and my vehicle is now slowing down, as you can see, to under 20 miles an hour, which the vehicle in front of us is traveling at. That's adaptive cruise control. It certainly makes driving a whole lot less tedious. It relieves a lot of driver fatigue. And it also makes the drive more pleasant. Anyway, that's my review of adaptive cruise control. There's a lot of features about this Jeep Grand Cherokee. There are a lot of features about this Jeep Grand Cherokee that I like a lot, and this is one of them. So have a great day.